Number 12, order of operations. We've all got all kinds of things going on here. First thing we want to look at is the squaring of the fraction. Remember, when you square a fraction, you just take top with top and bottom with bottom. Also remember that anytime you square a value, it has to come out positive. So even though this is negative, a negative times a negative will still produce a positive. And so as I look at this, negative 3 times negative 3 produces positive 9. 5 times 5 would be 25. Minus 3/5 times, because this is multiplication, it forces me to turn this next mixed number into an improper fraction. That is a guaranteed step. So I do 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. I'll call that 13/5 plus 7/10. Now my next operation is to either do subtraction, multiplication, or addition. Following order of operations, you must do the multiplication. For most of our problems, we've been looking at those opportunities to cancel or reduce. Here is an example where that's not the case. You actually have to multiply top with top and bottom with bottom. So on the next line, I can call this 9/25 minus 39. 3 times 13 is 39. 25 plus 7/10. Now there's two things I can do here. Because I recognize that it's all addition and subtraction at this point, I can find a common denominator for all three of these, or it may be more appropriate just to go ahead and work the first two fractions since there's already a common denominator there. And so when I do 9 take away 39, and that's the route I'm going to go, I'll go with negative 30 over 25 plus, and bring my 7/10 down. Now I'm forced to find a common denominator. Common among 25 and 10 would be 50. And so I change this into 50 and 50. 25 goes into 50 twice. 2 times negative 30 would be negative 60. 10 goes into 55 times. 5 times 7 is 35. And now because I have the common denominator, I can go ahead and do the addition or subtraction. Negative 60 plus 35 is negative 25 over 50. And of course, you know you have to simplify that. Don't give me an answer like this. So we'll divide both the top and the bottom by 25, and our final answer would be negative 1/2. That's example number 12 from order of operations.